Alright, let's do some downrange testing. I want to see how loud this gun sounds from about 30-40 yards. I'm going to shoot that steel plate. I got some reloads here, 200 grain Hornady ELDXs. I got some Alliance 1680 powder. I think it's 10.2 grains here. Winchester small rifle primers. Shooting it out of a AR-15 10-inch barrel, suppressed with a 10-inch Form 1 suppressor. I'm gonna set the phone up here right by the target to try to see what it sounds like downrange. It's hard to tell how loud it sounds from the gun because of the muzzle slap and the action slap on that AR-15.